Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The Bank of Jamaica this week started the next phase of its new foreign currency trading tool, saying in time it will see the central bank having less influence on the market. Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Brian Winter, said that is because the push is now being made to have currency trading in Jamaica expanded to what it is in developed economies. He was speaking to TVJ's Dashan Hendricks, who now reports.
The Bank of Jamaica has moved to improve how it interacts with the foreign exchange market. A tool called BFexit, under which it only previously sold US dollars, is now being expanded to start buying as well.
BFexit is not a mechanism that is intended to, and neither does it actually cause appreciation of the currency or depreciation of the currency.
What it does is to help to find the true price of the currency. On Wednesday, the central bank bought $5 million to start. More purchases are planned over the next 2 weeks.
Every week, when we make the announcement, you'll either have a buy, or you'll have a sell, or you'll have zero, no action. Okay. What we are saying is that we're not going to do two things on the same day. Okay, it'll be one way or the other.
It's an upgrade on the way we do things in Jamaica. As for the currency and its value,
there'll be more up and down movement.
That has been over the last 6 months and should become the norm. Most of all, Mr. Winter said it should make foreign exchange available when needed, and the market in time is expected to grow beyond buying foreign currency to pay for goods and services from abroad.
And in Jamaica, that's where we're going, where the foreign exchange market is not just what you need to buy to pay for an import, or you go get a ticket to get on a plane to go somewhere. That's important, but that will be the smaller part of the market as more people are doing transactions as they buy or sell. And they'll do that with more confidence because they're more comfortable with the long-term stability.
The BOJ said it will eventually have less involvement in the market, and that should encourage people to have more confidence in holding Jamaican dollar instead of the U.S. currency. For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
In the meantime, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.25. The Canadian dollar costs $98.67. The pound sterling is going for $177.26, while the euro costs $155.61. Oil prices rose on Friday, making the largest weekly gain since July, supported by concerns about the possibility of Western military action in Syria. Oil for delivery in May rose 32 cents to $67.39 a barrel. It's up 8% for the week. Stocks posted another decline today, with the JSE index moving down 1,414 points. The junior market index lost 4. Carib Cement, Siboney Group, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Stationery and Office Supplies, and VM Investments were among the winners. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Derrimont Trading, ISP Finance, Jetcon, Knutsford Express, NCB Financial Group, Scotia Group, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.